Ever dreamed of diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency? You've heard whispers of Bitcoin, the murmurs of mysterious altcoins, and the endless possibilities of the blockchain. But before you can start trading, there's that crucial first step, funding your account. Now, when it comes to cryptocurrency exchanges, finding the right way to get your money in can feel like navigating a maze. Some platforms accept credit cards, some deal in peer-to-peer transfers, and some, well, they leave you scratching your head. So, the burning question, if you're considering Kraken, a titan in the crypto exchange world, does it play nice with traditional bank transfers? Hold your crypto horses, a dive into deposit methods. Let's take a deep breath and break it down. Kraken offers a variety of deposit methods to suit different needs. You've got your credit and debit card options, perfect for those who want to jump in quickly, although fees might apply, so be sure to check. There's also the ACH transfer option for U.S. residents, a more traditional bank transfer method. But wait, what about international transfers? This is where things get interesting. Currently, Kraken doesn't directly accept bank transfers for international deposits. That doesn't mean you're completely out of luck, though. There are alternative routes you can explore, like third-party payment processors or international wire transfers. However, these can often come with higher fees and processing times. The power of planning before you fund your Kraken account. Alright, so bank transfers might not be the universal key to unlock your Kraken account, at least for international deposits as of today. But before you abandon ship, here are some things to keep in mind. Know your options. Kraken offers a variety of deposit methods. Explore them all, compare fees, and choose the one that best suits your needs and location. Do your research. Fees and processing times can change. Always check Kraken's support page for the latest information before making a deposit. Consider the future. The crypto world is constantly evolving. While bank transfers might not be the current favorite for international deposits, things could change down the line. Keep an eye on Kraken's updates. Kraken and bank transfers, the final verdict. So, can you fund your Kraken account with a bank transfer? The answer depends. For U.S. residents, ACH transfers are an option. For international deposits, as of today, you'll need to explore alternative methods. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is all about exploration and staying informed. Do your research, choose the deposit method that works best for you, and get ready to dive into the exciting world of crypto trading on Kraken. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.